The evacuation order came swiftly, a jarring note in the tranquility of the Grand Canyon. Park rangers, their faces etched with urgency, moved through the throngs of tourists. A low hum vibrated in the air, growing louder as an unmarked helicopter descended near the south rim. Something was amiss. The whispers started fluttering through the crowds like desert winds. A discovery, a cave, a government shutdown. The impossible was unfolding. The Grand Canyon, a place of timeless beauty, was now a shroud of mystery. Tourists, bewildered and frustrated, were given 48 hours to leave. The order extended beyond the Grand Canyon. National parks, museums, even monuments were being closed. A blanket of secrecy had fallen thick and suffocating. What had they stumbled upon in the depths of that newly discovered cave? The silence from officials was deafening. The eyes of the world turned to the ancient heart of America, a place where time itself seemed to whisper secrets on the wind. The Grand Canyon, a scar of time on the face of the earth, had always held an allure beyond its breathtaking vistas. For centuries it has been a place of pilgrimage, a sacred site for the indigenous people who have long understood its power. Now it seemed, the earth was ready to reveal a secret it had held for millennia. But at what cost? As the sun dipped below the canyon walls, casting long shadows over the hasty exodus, one question echoed in the hearts of those leaving. What had they unearthed? The Grand Canyon, a masterpiece of erosion, a testament to the relentless power of nature. Its layers of rock, a striated tapestry of time, hold the history of the earth itself. 2 billion years of geological processes are laid bare in its depths, a library of the planet's past. From the Kaibab limestone at the rim, a young 270 million years old, down to the Vishnu schist at the bottom, a staggering 1.84 billion years old, each layer tells a story. These layers whisper of ancient seas, of deserts long vanished, of a world in constant flux. Fossils embedded in the rock hint at creatures unimaginably old, their forms preserved in stone. The Grand Canyon is not just a beautiful vista, it is a window into deep time, a place where we can connect with the immense scale of Earth's history. Yet even as we marvel at its beauty, we must acknowledge the secrets it holds. For within these layers, within the very fabric of the canyon, there are gaps, anomalies that challenge our understanding. Conventional geology tells a story of slow, gradual change. But what about the whispers of catastrophic events, of rapid transformations that defy explanation? Could it be that the history we read in these rocks is incomplete? That there are chapters missing, deliberately erased, or simply overlooked? The discovery of the cave sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Located deep within the canyon, hidden from view for millennia, it was found by accident. A stroke of luck that may change our understanding of the past. The drone, a marvel of modern technology, had been exploring areas inaccessible by foot, mapping the canyon with unprecedented detail. It was during one of these routine flights that the anomaly appeared on the sensors, a heat signature emanating from the canyon wall. A team of geologists was dispatched immediately, their excitement palpable. The heat signature, they knew, could indicate geothermal activity, perhaps even a hidden spring. What they found, however, was far more intriguing. The cave entrance, concealed by a curtain of hanging vines, was almost invisible to the naked eye. Beyond it lay a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers, their darkness hinting at secrets yet to be revealed. Initial reports were fragmented, censored by the government agencies that had swiftly moved in to control the site. Rumors spread like wildfire, fueled by the lack of official information. Some whispered of strange symbols etched into the cave walls, symbols that defied easy categorization. Others spoke of artifacts, objects of unknown purpose and origin, hinting at a presence far more ancient than anything previously imagined. The Forbidden Zone. The Grand Canyon has always been a place of restricted access. Vast swaths of its wilderness are off-limits to the public, deemed too dangerous or too ecologically sensitive for casual exploration. But there is one area, shrouded in more secrecy than any other, an area known only as the Forbidden Zone. Located deep within the canyon, its boundaries are unmarked on any official map, its existence only whispered among park rangers and government officials. For decades, rumors have circulated about the Forbidden Zone. Some say it is a site of intense electromagnetic anomalies, capable of disrupting electronic equipment and disorienting those who venture too close. Others claim it is a sacred burial ground for indigenous tribes protected by ancient curses. The government, for its part, has remained tight-lipped, refusing to confirm or deny its existence. The recent drone incursion into the Forbidden Zone, however, changed everything. The drone, equipped with advanced imaging technology, managed to capture a series of tantalizing images before its signal was abruptly cut. The images, leaked anonymously online, sent shockwaves through the archaeological community. They showed what appeared to be the ruins of an ancient city, its structures unlike anything previously seen in North America. The city, if that's what it was, seemed to predate any known civilization on the continent, its existence challenging the very foundations of accepted history. Legacy of silence. The silence from official sources was deafening. The government, usually so eager to share its discoveries, had clammed up, refusing to comment on the drone footage or the rumors circulating online. A veil of secrecy had fallen over the Grand Canyon, thicker than the morning mist that clung to its rim. What were they hiding? What had they found in that cave, in that forbidden zone that justified such a drastic response? The lack of information only served to fuel the flames of speculation. Conspiracy theories, always lurking in the shadows, flourished in the darkness. Some whispered of a government cover-up, an attempt to conceal evidence of a lost civilization, a civilization that challenged the accepted narrative of human history. Others went further, speculating about extraterrestrial involvement, pointing to the strange symbols in the cave and the electromagnetic anomalies in the Forbidden Zone as proof. The truth, as always, lay somewhere in the shadows, obscured by layers of speculation and misinformation. But one thing was certain: the Grand Canyon, a place of breathtaking beauty and timeless wonder, had just become the epicenter of a mystery that threatened to upend our understanding of the past. The world watched, waited, and wondered what secrets the ancient rocks would reveal.